Hello friends, this is my hometown, Hindustan Cables, Rupnaranpur. This is starting from the hospital. This is called Hindustan Cables Hospital, which looks very haunted right now. I know because this area was very popular once upon a time. The society, the place used to stay so many people of Hindustan Cables, and the doors and the windows has been broken because people have stolen from it. Okay, so now this area really looks like a haunted. That side you can see the bigger ground. That ground actually it was a place where Durga Puja is happening. You know about Bengalis. Bengalis are bigger festival is Durga Puja. So that used to happen there. This are the place where the quarters, Hindustan Cables quarters, and now very rare people stays here because it looks very haunted. The road, this road is the backside of the Durga Puja Mandap, which is going towards the Hindustan Cables factory, and in between we'll get one dam which is very beautiful. I'll just show you. And in my left side you can see there's few quarters are there. It's broken, same like people have came and stolen the doors and the windows, and it is totally broken and looks like very haunted kind of. So yeah, it's totally greenery, and too much of oxygen is there because of too much of air. And people, if anybody wants to explore this greenery, please come to our small place like Rupnaranpur Hindustan Cables. So this is, I'm preparing this video guys, just to show you some glimpse of this Hindustan Cables, which was very good at that point of time, but now it has become like this. Okay, so now yeah, this is the main road. This is the road which connects 4 roads together. So the right side road goes to the main road, and the left side road goes inside the like more quarters are there. So one film theater was there long back when I born. After that also I did some function over there from the school, and yeah, you can see this straight road going to the Hindustan Cables, and that's the film theater. It was a long back a theater auditorium kind of, and you can see this place. This is a dam. It's a Hindustan Cables dam. It's full of water because this is a monsoon. That's when today's weather is too good. Generally it will be too hot and too sunny in the morning, but yeah, today's weather was so good and it was very pleasant, and because it's a monsoon, so yeah, so today's weather is very nice and so fresh air. So anybody wants to explore this green place, I just loved it. You can breathe in this fresh air, this nice place. Just look into this greenery. Awesome. Of memories are coming up. I can just I have spent so much of time here, and it's such a nice place. Due to this lockdown, I am at my hometown right now, so I can explore this place, and I can show you some glimpse of it. Now we are going towards the Hindustan Cables ground, which was very at once at a time it was very popular. Footballs and all people used to play. This market was just behind the ground. Now it is totally closed, broken and everything. So yeah, so see, this is the market. So now a few people are there. They used to stay here, and we are going towards to the ground now. I'll show you the ground where our school annual function, annual sports day used to happen. I think as till now it's happening also. I'll just show you the ground, so stay with me. Yeah, this is the backside gate of the ground, which is we are entering to the ground. The roads are not at all good. You can able to see it. So yeah, we are going inside the ground. So lot many people are there in the ground, Generally in the morning time, in this ground, people comes to do some, activities. Like you can see one instructor is there. He's a boxer instructor. So he's giving a training to the girls, and he's teaching how to do a boxing. So a few people, they're doing their morning work as usually, and few people, they're playing in the ground. Few guys, they don't have any work, so they're gossiping in the morning usually. So yeah, this is the morning view of the ground. So yes, it's very nostalgic. I can able to recall my all memories, what I've spent it here. It's very nice, and I'm feeling very good that I'm sharing with you this video. So it's surrounded with so many green trees, so you'll feel very good to see these videos. And when you are inside the ground, you'll feel very energetic because it's surrounded with so many green trees and all. So now we are going towards the main gate and we are going out. So I'll show you the outside of the ground also. That's the gallery, and yeah, this is the main entrance gate where we are going out. And my left side, it is a canteen. It used to be a canteen when the factory was on. So it was a canteen, and this is the main road towards the factory. You can see so many trees because now it's totally closed, and it became very kind of a jungle kind of, with bushes and all, because no maintenance and nothing is happening. So see this tree, it's coming out from the wall itself only. It's good to see. Okay, so we are going towards the Hindustan Cables factory, which was very famous once at a time for production of cable wires, which we used to use in the landlines connection. Now generally mobile phones came, and we have stopped using that landline connections. So that's the reason there was a lot of issues of this factory, and it been closed. So you can see the main gate. That was the main gate of Hindustan Cables, and from that inside it starts with the production house. This right side is there was a parking lot which was used at that time when the employees come. They used to park their bikes and cars there. It's totally totally looks like a haunted right now, and I really feel like a haunted here. Because in the daytime it's fine, because this road was very popular once at a time. Like people used to travel a lot from this road, but due to this closed place, now it's become very haunted, and nowadays the situation is not good. It looks very haunted. Night time it's not at all safe. Yeah, this building you can see, it's a official clerical works and all used to happen before of Hindustan Cables. So this is a huge building, and it's all gone, like nothing is there. So you can see it's totally like full of bushes and full of green trees and all. So this is a starting road where used to Hindustan Cables starts. So we are ending this Hindustan Cables road, and that side you can see one building. That building used to be same like it's a HCL official building, but now later it was a BSNL building. Now it is nothing, it's totally empty. So yeah, my right side, that road is going towards the Chittaranjan locomotive works, that's called HCL railway colony, and we are going to the main road right now. So that's how I end my Hindustan Cables road, and I'm heading towards my home. I'll show you my school also. A lot of memories of my school. Yeah, that side, right side, you can see the green gate. That's my school, where I did my schooling from the nursery to class 12. And my all brothers are studying there right now. Okay, this is called DAV Public School. It's a CBSE board, and it's a very, very popular school in this area. So many of the students that studies there, many of the batches came out. It's been more than 13 years I have completed that schooling from that place. So yeah, this is the main road where I'm going towards to my home now. So I'll show you my home also. So be with me. Yeah, I came to my home place. Nearby to my home, this is one temple. You can see my left side, it's a Shivji temple. So there are a lot of apartments are there. So yeah, this white color building, you can see some pebbles, tiles has been put it. This is my house, white color. This whole house is mine, and we stay here with my joint family. I stay here with my joint family. Presently, I'm not staying in this house because I shifted to Bangalore due to my studies and my work. And due to this lockdown period, Grace, thankfully, I'm here right now. Yeah, so I'm done with my morning walk and I'm super tired. So I'm going to take a rest and see you all. Bye. Thanks.